Today we'll be covering Practice It, Exercise 8.9, Scale Timespan. The problem reads, add the following method to the timespan class, public void scale int factor. And this class is supposed to scale this timespan by the given factor. For example, 1 hour and 45 minutes scaled by 2 equals 3 hours and 30 minutes. And this is the code from the previous chapter, and let's get started. So first we need to add the method. So public void scale and int factor, and then we'll add the curly braces here. Okay, and next we just need to first multiply it by the factor. So the problem gives us the variable factor. So we'll start with hours actually. So we'll say hours equals, and we'll first say minutes times factor. So we are multiplying the minutes first by the factor, and we'll divide this by 60 so that everything gets neatly converted into hours, and we'll add factor and then we'll multiply that with hours. So what this does, just to sum it up, is the minutes we have, so like let's say 45 minutes, gets multiplied by the factor, and then we divide that by 60 so everything gets converted into hours correctly, and then we'll add the whatever factor times the hours, so that way everything gets converted into hours and all the hours are multiplied correctly by the factor. And then now that we did hours, we also need to do minutes, so we'll say minutes equals, and we've kind of done this earlier, minutes times, and we'll multiply by the factor again, and we'll do the modulus operator, so we'll do modulus 60, so that way everything gets converted into hours again, the way we kind of did this, and then all the remaining factors, which is going to be the modulus operator's rule, will be kept in minutes. So that's all pretty much for the problem. Let's submit it to make sure we did it correctly. So yes, all the test cases were passed correctly, and we did do the problem correctly. Okay, so that's all for Practice It, Exercise 8.9, Scale Timespan, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.